Carter CT16-9D overheating. Probable cause is a loose fan belt, which is kind of hard to get to from anywhere else but this front plate cover where the alternator is. You're going to have a number 10 bolt to adjust. Just get a 10 wrench and loosen it up. Get another larger wrench or some other type of pry bar to get behind the alternator and pry it out, and that should tension it up. If it's beyond tensioning, you're going to have to replace the belt. Anyways, not too bad on this one for accessibility. Just take the front